All right. Well, welcome everyone. I want to introduce you to Peter Fiore, which you probably don't need any kind of introduction. So Peter studied at the Pratt Institute and at the Art Students League of New York, two of the top art schools in the country. Actually, the Art Students League of New York is legendary. So he also teaches right now, I think, at the
School of Visual
Arts in New York City. So an excellent school. So all of you, I don't think you need any introduction. His paintings are just amazing. He won the best landscape at the Art Renewal Center's Salon Show, which is one of the top. I mean, the Art Renewal Center is one of those things that as artists, we are super grateful for that they have that going, because it is just propelling the representational painting across the country and the world. It's just doing amazing things. And so to win an award of any kind in that show is phenomenal, but to win the best landscape, that's just fantastic. So